Welcome back to our channel, Elite Wave Counts. Today is 14th of August. Market is closed 10:30 p.m. We are going to be speaking about Amazon today. They came with the news today that they will be expanding their grocery delivery module to 1,000 more cities. On addition to that one, a couple of days back, there was some news flash about their Amazon ad revenue business is growing or more profitable, something like that. I did not read into detail. My attention went to Amazon today because it went about 230. Last time we reviewed the video, I believe in mid-July, 15th of July, it was around 226, and it's same almost 230 the closing today Amazon. Also, before we go further, I'm not a certified financial advisor, so please consult CFA before taking any positions or acting on it. So that is one note from my end. We were talking about Amazon. The reason for me to go in Amazon and look at it again is because of the delta. There is some buying delivery that happened that was going on for last couple of days before this news happened, right? And that is the reason I'm revising the Amazon again. So this is when it was posted long time back, I think July 19th, not a long time, a month back. So back to today. I'm going to show you something different over here. Same techniques, but more in detail. Last time video we just posted a month ago. It's the same price, nothing much structure-wise change. So this is Amazon in 2025, right? So these are the channels when it was coming down, and there is a counter correction. This is what happened. So if you see that these are the nodes which is in red, these are our selling points. This is where the seller got aggressive and it took down the market down, right? The Amazon down. And the green ones that you see is the points where the buyers step in and took it higher. This is just recent. The earning was here 230. We crashed down. This is the gap fill. Gap fill comes. It's amazing. It's wonderful to see the gap fill. Still, there is $1 left for this gap fill. Actually, we will cover it in more details. But volume. Look at the volume. When it's down, it went down over here. The volume was still high. Now we are picking back the intensity on the volume. If you see, the curve is going up, and these are the buying nodes that's coming. Something unusual to me that buying was going on. Even the Nasdaq was going higher. So, but something odd was there for Amazon on a buying delivery volume. So we are going to speak about 2025 in Amazon. So this is our Elite Wave Counts. Based on this, very first projection comes. This is our wave 0 starts over here. 1, 2. This is our 3, 4, and we are in the 5th wave now. And if you see that we will be breaking the neckline if we cross about 242. Are we going to cross it or not? That is the question. But when we break it, then that becomes a neckline, and we will be targeting same from here to here, 240 to 1670, let's say. So that's $70, and you added in 240, 310 that way. So yes, that is still our same target what we spoke about earlier. And let me show you this one. Okay, so based on that, there is a projection coming, right? So on an equality base, it was coming somewhere around itself 225, which is not going to be 230 actually, which is not going to be the case. Now the second scenario on the wave counts is telling me, if you see that, okay, so 242 right here, right? So that's equality base. If it's going to be extension, 260, and so onwards. All of these waves are regular, so that is one wave which is going to be extended. Who knows, this news might be trigger. And if you see that when it came down, it maintained this, right? So which is amazing to see that it maintained 210. 210 is a good support now, actually. 212. So more in detail over here. So these are the on an extension basis. If we are going to do the full extension, then it's going to be 286 and 1.61. That's what we are looking in a long rally. So that's ultimate. But we will speak about future targets once we cross excuse me, 286 and 290 levels. Then there is a point about talking on those things. If you see the cup and handle, or whatever you want to call it, this round recovery, V-shaped recovery, 71 is the downwards, 71 was the upward recovery done. And if you see, this one was $24, which is 1/3 of 72. So if you go and see it when it bounced back, even it's over here, fib, you can see it's 38%. So when it bounced, this is a characteristic of the strong stock. Buyers are in control in normal definition. So this is just our trend lines based on 4 hours. If you see, there are some, these are solid lines which is being followed for a longer time. This one dotted lines in color red, it's just a recent one on a longer chart frame. So I just wanted to show you. So we could be going in any direction, but at the moment intensity is on this, which is on a higher side. And if you see that the slope of that is being maintained as it is on this one, and if you, it's amazing. If you see, then if you follow this same intensity of this one, the valuation wise, it's going to go 258. We are going to go more than that. And this is Amazon from 2014. If you see that it's bouncing back between those channels, whatever you want to call it, right? All the channels, I mean, there are 3: center line, center body, then the green is the buy zone, and the top one, likely oranges or whatever the color is, the sell zone. So it's being playing around between those. So if you see, the It is amazing to see that the width of that all the channel is 28 bucks, 28 or 30 bucks, you want to call it, 30 by 390, right? So Amazon is playing in the range of 90, and there was a dip over here, and it went down, I believe, another 30 bucks. So that's going to be 120 bucks, 120 down from here. Let's say 200 minus 120, 80 bucks, correct? So that is amazing, right? This is beautiful. I mean, if you are very aggressive traders and if you catch it right way, you just have to wait for the moment to come in. If you want to short it out during this time, you put a channel over here, and whenever it touches the hard node, you short it. I mean, I'm never short on the market. I believe in buying only, but I wait for the right opportunity to come. It takes time. So delta is the reason why we are talking about it. This is the delta on a weekly basis. Basically, it means buying or selling for that particular week. If you see the circle in the green ones are the buying nodes, buying volumes for those weeks. Right now we are ongoing. If you see over here, it's 1.63. If you see, this is 400k, 470. So 1 million over here, 659k, 484. What does it mean? These are the deliveries that taken on such a particular week. Let's see how it reflects in our chart. Same thing, these are the same exit chart over here. You see, this is amazing to see that, and we are just starting back to go up. The momentum is strong, looks like it's going to break out. Also, this is when the earnings came right over here on this. So 1.39 million on the selling side on that week, particularly just last day, Friday, Thursday, after market close, the earning came. But if you see the next week, it was digested. So only Friday it went down. So from Monday it started doing small recovery. What does it mean? Smart money is accumulating this. It's just weekends who were waiting for the result, earnings result. They acted and just got done in 2 days. So that's what it is. This is in our daily delta. If you see that over here, continuous buying, right? We have seen some small negative deltas on those days, but these are very small. This is the only one that is after earning. I was talking about Friday. Then after that, okay, Monday it came down, but after that it's all recovery. So what does it mean? That okay, it's being absorbed very nicely. So someone is buying, not a one person, not a one institute, but something is going on that we are not aware, and that is the reason actually I'm looking at Amazon right now. This is our volume nodes, activity nodes, that where activity happens. 224 is very active, and we are in active zone right now. This is our Amazon on a 1 hour chart. I just wanted to show you the structure of making higher highs and higher lows over here. If you see, this high is high, this low is high. Same thing over here. Okay, high, we even came down, earnings crashed down, but we maintain the low. If you see that it's high, now we have to break this one, and we are going to see some resistance over here, but there is a support being created around 222 as well on an intermediate channel. So that will play a crucial part. These are the earnings. I use the trading view. Whatever you've seen earlier, it's everything from trading view. I just wanted to put something, if you guys don't know how to check it earnings, I mean, you can see it on a trading view. It's beautiful. These are the earnings, actual and estimations, which is going up. It's all good things over here. You can check it yourself. It shows you the indicators as well. What is what on a whether it's a strong buy or neutral buy, and you can see the financial analyst ratings as well. So this is our Amazon. Stay invested. We might be a little bit sluggish. Who knows? It can take 242 out in a just matter of this week before we close it, which is tomorrow or next week. Let's say within a time frame of 1 week. So Amazon immediate targets are basically, if you are trading wise, we are looking 222, then 212, 200 and 187. 200 is psychological support. 250 is going to be psychological resistance to us, and what we are looking is basically 270 to 300 on a bigger scale at the moment. So thank you for watching. Please, if you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and we do have the same Elite View accounts on the WhatsApp where I put the updates mostly every day, at least 4 or 5 updates for sure, on a weekly basis. Thank you for watching, and have a good night. Stay happy and happy investing as well.